So the climate crisis has had a big debate, and of course now there's a huge bunch of UN reports around it. The basic thesis being that humans have caused increased greenhouse gas emissions, of which carbon dioxide is one of the worst. And we are responsible for that since the creation of the steam engine. And effectively, about 90% plus of all greenhouse gas emissions that have been emitted since the steam engine was invented nearly 250 years ago have come from the developed world. And because of this increased carbon dioxide, you've got an issue with the earth warming up. And because the earth is warming up, there's this climate change. Oceans are rising, monsoons can be much more intense in terms of flooding in certain areas and certain times of the year, and not so much spread out, etc. So there's climate haphazard, there's climate change. Is it real? Yeah, it's real. I mean, the Earth is a planet within a much larger, complex solar system. I'm not a climate scientist, but I have the common sense, I guess, and we've all studied this somewhere in our books in geography, is that the entire universe is actually changing. So yeah, even the way the Earth orbits the sun is changing, and just that natural orbit of the way the Earth goes around the sun is also going to cause some kind of global warming. Because imagine if I have my finger and I keep on moving it towards a light, and as I get closer to the light, the finger is going to get warmer, and at some point in time when it touches the light, I'm going to start screaming because it'll burn. So the Earth, whether we like it or not, the whole solar system is moving in a particular direction where about, I think it was 5 million years from now, the Earth as we know it will no longer exist, because of the natural revolution and the orbit around the sun, there will be an issue of my finger touching, getting too hot, and I'll go, ouch. So there is a natural cycle that is causing climate change. The big debate has been, I should say big debate because there is no debate. I never hear debates on this. It's just taken as a one-sided view. The view is that humans are causing climate change. I think more than climate change, environmental impact is real. I don't know whether, and many people may not believe that climate change is caused by us humans, but we all know that when we get polluted water, when we get a bad ocean, a bad seafront, or bad air, we know the factory next door, the factory down the lane caused it. So if we address those problems, those are real environmental problems, which of course help the bigger problem of climate change. I think if we look at it that way, yes, climate change is for real, because environmental issues are for real, and whatever we bring to the environment effectively has an impact on the climate.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.